Yo guys, we have a new feature in Monopoly Go. They're called emojis, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use your emojis. So currently we have one that's free. So basically if you want to use them, you have to land on a shutdown or a bank heist. So land on the railway road. I'm gonna come back in a second once I get it and I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I've landed on the railway road, sorry, and right here, as you can see, after we try to shut down somebody, after we attack them, so just give it a second, just let me attack. So before you collect your rewards, you can choose an emoji that you can use right here. So as you can see, we just use this emoji after we attack this person and they'll see it in their timeline. So that's how you use your new feature, the emojis in Monopoly Go. Hope this was informative, fun. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.